For Singer 400, 500 series Rocketeers, if you did lift the cam stack, you want to put it back correctly with the timing correctly. What you want to do is have this line align with the cam follower here and the needle all the way at the bottom. And also if you put this line on the other side, so on the other cam follower, when it's just by its side like this, you want to make sure the needle is also at the bottom. That's how you make sure the timing is good. If it's not aligned here, lower the cam followers, the two of them, just drop them bottom. Sometimes the brown gets stuck in there at the extremity, so it doesn't give play for the white one. Drop them, lift the thing and just move it to the correct position, drop it there, and just make sure when it's by the pointer right there, need to bring the pointer up obviously. You can try actually, if it's aligned with one of them, it's going to be aligned with the second one as well. Pointer being this, the tip of this thing, right, this one's. So when the line is aligned with this one, just make sure the needle is at the bottom and then you are sure the timing is perfect.